Learners, congratulations to you in today's class. I am your Rafia ma'am with you, assistant teacher at Greenview High School, Chabainawganj. Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well, and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, dear learners, today's class is actually for class 6 and this is for English second paper class, okay? And the learners, before going to our class, at first I want to show you one thing. Do you want to see? Yes, of course, ma'am. Why not? Okay. Look at me very carefully. What is this? Can you see this? Yes. Everyone knows about this thing. This is mobile phone. Okay, so can you guess actually what may be our today's topic? Yes, learners, you have guessed correctly. Your ideas are absolutely right. Our today's topic is about mobile phone. Our today's topic is about mobile phone. Okay, learners, you know about mobile phone, but before going to our class, I want to tell you what is the uses of mobile phone. Why we use mobile phone? Can you tell me? Yes, you can tell the major purpose of using mobile phone is for talking. We can talk over mobile phone to one person to another person, and we can talk from any corner of the world. Okay, so our main purpose of using mobile phone is communication. We can communicate with the people. And then what may be the another purpose of using mobile phone? Yes, we can use mobile phone for many purposes. Okay, look at this mobile phone. At first, here you see, what is this? This is about Facebook. That means with internet connection, we can use Facebook through mobile phone. Then what can you share? You can say, ma'am, we can also use YouTube, and by YouTube you can enjoy different types of videos like movies, like drama, like poems, or everything. We can enjoy more and more videos through YouTube. Okay, we can enjoy also songs, music. Okay, learners, then here you see on gallery. That means what is the uses of gallery? We can store our pictures, and our another important purpose is that you can use mobile phone as what? As camera also. Okay, and you can also use mobile phone as taking selfie. Okay, learners, that means we can take our photo through mobile phone. Then you can see here another thing is dictionary. That means you can use mobile phone as dictionary. You can see the meaning of any word. And here you see emo, messenger. That means through emo, through messenger, you can talk to your friends, to your relatives, to any person from any corner of the world, face to face. And you can also chat through emo, through messenger, and you can also send messages. Okay, so you can also receive messages, you can also send messages, you can also send or receive email. Okay, learners, then what may be the another use of mobile phone? Yes, there are many uses of mobile phone. We can use mobile phone as clock also. Here you see the time is 5:49. Okay, so you can use mobile phone as also camera and as also calendar. And last one, I want to say we can use mobile phone as mirror also. Here we see a reflection. So for various types of purposes we use mobile phone, not only for talking. Okay learners, I have told you, I have given you many information about mobile phone. So here you see our lesson is 23, Wonder of the World 2, and here open at page 71, and this is for mobile phone. Okay learners, here you see on passage, and before going to our passage, I want to teach you some new vocabulary. Okay, so attentively look at me. Okay learners, can you see this? What is this? Can you see this? Yes, this is costly. C-O-S-T-L-Y. Pronounce with me. Costly. And what is the meaning of costly actually? Okay, I am showing you some examples for understanding the meaning of costly, and I want to show you some realia. Okay, here you see one car. This is one car and this is another car, but you see this car is very small and not so updated like this car, so this car is more expensive. Okay, this car is more expensive than that car, so actually this car is very costly. Okay, if you want to buy this car, so you have to spend more money than that car, so this is very costly. And I am also telling you another thing. Here you see this is a plane, and this plane is also more costly than this car. Okay, so have you understood about the meaning of costly? Okay, then I want to show you another new vocabulary, learners. Okay, look at me. What is this? Actually this is about handy. H-A-N-D-Y. Okay, pronounce with me. This is handy. And what is the meaning of handy? I want to show you the realia. Okay learners, you know this is our district Champaign-Nanobuns, and Champaign-Nanobuns is famous for mango, and you know all over the world Champaign-Nanobuns is famous for mango. The mangoes of Champaign-Nanobuns are best all over the world, so this is very easy things for us to collect, so you can tell it is very handy for us, which we can get very easily. The people of Champaign-Nanobuns can get mango very easily, so this is very handy product for us. Okay learners, then I will show you another new vocabulary. Okay, what is this here? This is distance learning. Pronounce with me. This is distance learning. So actually what is distance learning? Okay, here you see a practical example. Okay, at first I want to tell you actually what is distance. Here you see a car and here you see a remote, and if we try to control this remote, then this car will run, this car will play. And you know the remote is not at the very close to the car. The remote is not at the very close to the car. The remote is very distance from the car, and by clicking the remote or by using the remote we can control this car. Okay, so here you see a distance. This is about distance. Okay, and learning. Actually here you are learning something from me, and distance learning, and our today's class is your best example for distance learning because you are not in front of me and I am also not in front of you, but I am teaching you and you are accepting the learning. So this is for distance learning. Okay, learners, then look at me very carefully. What is this? Actually, this is for communication. Pronounce with me. This is for communication. And what is communication? Okay, learners, look at me. Here you see through mobile phone we can communicate to any person, to our any friend or relative or any person. We can communicate through mobile phone. Okay, you can also communicate through email, messages. This is for communication. And last one I want to show you. This is for invention. Okay, pronounce with me. Invention. What is invention? Actually, invention means discover. And you also enjoy the channel Discovery channel. Here you see many new discovery, and you see that mobile phone is also a new discovery for us. Okay, so learners, I have shown you many new vocabularies for this passage, and now we will go to our passage. So look at your textbook, and this is for page number 71. Okay, I am reading the passage here. Mobile phone is another useful invention of the world, like computers. Okay, mobile phone is another useful invention. We have many inventions, but mobile phone is one type of useful invention of the world, in this world. And you see here, like computers, mobile phones help us greatly in our daily life. This is mobile phone which help us so much in various purposes in our daily life. Then you see, through mobiles we can connect the whole world. This is mobile phone by which we can connect the whole world. Okay, you can talk the person of any corner of the world. Then you see, only a few years ago we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. Yes, only a few years ago we cannot contact with our near and dears without our physical existence. Okay, but virtually now we can communicate with our near and dear ones. Then you see that was very costly too, and few years ago it was very costly for us, but now it has become very cheap for us. You can contact with your friends or family members like 5 minutes. If you want to contact 5 minutes, then you have to spend only 2 takas. Okay, this is very cheap. Then you see, mobile phones are very handy. It has become very easy to us, and we can use them for communication with people at a very low cost. Okay, at a very low cost we can communicate with the people. Then you see, mobile phones have different functions. Okay, mobile phones do not have only one function. Mobile phone have different functions, such as making calls. That means we can talk over mobile phone by making call, listening to music. We can listen music. We can also watch songs on music. Then you see, taking photographs, storing information, etc. Even it can be used for distance learning. Even mobile phone is used for distance learning. Okay, learners, I hope you have understood it. And now I will show you some true or false question. That means I will show you some questions, and something will be right and something will be wrong, and if it is wrong, then you have to write down the correct answer. Okay, so look at me again. What do you see here? Here you see we can use mobile phone only for communication. Is it right? We can use mobile phone only for communication. Yes, our main purpose is to communicate with the people, but not only for communication. We use mobile phone for various purposes. So this question is for false. Okay, as this is false, so you have to write down here at first for number 1, this is false, and as it is false, so you have to write down the correct answer. And for write down the correct answer, you have to write here the correct answer. We can use mobile phone for various purposes. You have to write this answer elaborately. We can use mobile phone for various purposes. Okay, dear learners, then I will show you another new question, and this is what here you see. The whole world has become very close to us for mobile phone. The whole world has become very close to us, and even the whole world has come to our hand. You can see any information, anything of the world within 1 second, only for mobile phone. So you see, actually this is for answer true. So for number question 2, you have to write down the answer here. The answer is true. So you do not need to write down again the answer, as it is true. Okay, learners, and last one I will show you another new question, and this is for true or false question. Here you see, now we face difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. Now, at this moment, at this time, we face difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. Actually, is it right? Do you think is it right? No. Actually, this is not right. This is not correct. This is for false answer. So, as it is for false, you have to write down here false. And what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be, we do not face any difficulty. Okay, we do not face any difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. Okay, we do not face any difficulty. It has become very easy for us to contact our near and dear ones, and within 1 second we can contact. So this is our false answer, and it is correct answer. Okay, dear learners, actually in today's class I want to teach you the true and false question of this passage, and in our another class I will teach you another option of the question, like it may be answering question, it may be multiple choice question, or fill in the gap question. Okay, and for your homework, please write down your homework, and this is for students. Please be ready for your homework. Your homework is write a paragraph on mobile phone. Write a paragraph on mobile phone. Elaborately, you have to write a paragraph for mobile phone, and you will elaborate here the uses of mobile phone more and more, what you actually know. So dear learners, here we are going to complete our class, and see you again in our next class. Wish you all the best. Bye.